another news on the media that Peace TV is banned in India. The point to be noted is that Peace TV does not have the downlinking permission in India. So if it doesn't have the downlinking permission in India, where is the question of it being banned? Yes, I'm aware that every year the I&B ministry, they give a list of satellite channels which don't have downlinking permission, and yet the cable operators show it. And most of these channels, almost all are Pakistani channels, and amongst non-Pakistani channels, there are a few Muslim channels. One of them is Peace TV, the other is a satellite channel that comes from Saudi Arabia, that's of Makkah, the other channel of Saudi Arabia from Medina. These have not got downlinking permission, so that is the reason it is not permitted for the cable operators to show this. So to say it is banned is not the right terminology. Yes, you can say these channels don't have the downlinking permission, therefore it's not appropriate for the cable operators to show it. For it to be banned, it requires a permission, because India is a country which has a downlinking permission requirement. Those countries which don't have a requirement of a downlinking permission, if that country feels that the channel is detrimental to the society or not conducive to the society, then it can ban that channel. Or if the channel has a permission, the permission can be taken away and the channel can be banned. So if you want to call it, because it doesn't have the permission, as banned, then yes, you'll also have to say that there are, out of 27,000 satellite channels in the world, less than 1,000 satellite channels have the downlinking permission in India. That means more than 26,000 satellite channels are banned in India. In that context, yes, I do agree that even Peace TV is banned in India. According to me, no country in the world has banned Peace TV. The first country that banned Peace TV was just a few days ago, that is the Bangladesh government. They have banned Peace TV, and I would like to ask the Bangladesh government that what reason do they have for banning Peace TV? I would like them to point out a single program of Peace TV which is not conducive to the society of Bangladesh, and I'm sure they will not be able to find a single program.